Good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, we will talk about chemical properties or chemical reactions of benzene, the simplest hydrocarbon. You know it very well that electrophilic substitution reaction is the most important reaction of aromatic compound. Electrophilic substitution reaction where one electrophile displaces the another electrophile. And this reaction is the most important reaction of benzene. Now, reaction number one is halogenation. If we talk about halogenation, then in this reaction we will add halogen atom to benzene. And for the addition of halogen atom, here we are using Cl2 in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. The reaction is carried out at 320 to 400 Kelvin temperature. In presence of anhydrous AlCl3, hydrolytic cleavage takes place between fluorine molecule, as a result of which we obtain Cl plus, which is called chloronium ion. As Cl possesses positive charge, so it is an electrophile. So Cl plus, an electrophile, will attack over benzene ring, will displace one of the H from A, as a result of which we will obtain chlorobenzene as the product. HCl will be the side product formed. So whenever benzene undergoes halogenation in presence of Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3, then we obtain haloarine as the product. Then number second is sulfonation. In sulfonation, we will use concentrated H2SO4. HSO3 plus ion will be generated as an electrophile, and by electrophilic substitution reaction, benzene gets converted to benzene sulfonic acid. Then number 3 is nitration. In nitration, we are adding NO2 group, nitro group to the benzene ring. And to carry out nitration reaction, we require concentrated HNO3 plus concentrated H2SO4, mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. This mixture is called nitrating mixture. Now, in presence of nitrating mixture, we get an electrophile that is NO2 plus ion, which is called nitronium ion. So here, benzene, when made to react with nitrating mixture, NO2 plus ion attacks over benzene ring, as a result of which we obtain nitrobenzene as the product. So this is your nitration. Then comes Friedel-Crafts reaction. Remember, in Friedel-Crafts reaction, attack of carbocation as an electrophile takes place over the benzene ring, and here we require the presence of Lewis acid like anhydrous AlCl3. So here benzene, when made to react with CH3Cl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3 carries out hydrolytic cleavage between carbon and chlorine, because here it works as a halogen carrier. it can abstract Cl from here in the form of Cl minus, due to which we obtain methyl carbocation. Methyl carbocation attacks over benzene ring, as a result of which we obtain methyl benzene or toluene as the product. So in alkylation, we add alkyl group to the benzene ring. Then we have one more type in Friedel-Crafts, that is your Friedel-Crafts acetylation. We'll add acetyl group in the benzene ring. So benzene, when made to react with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, again heterolytic cleavage takes place between carbon and chlorine. So Cl will be removed in the form of Cl minus, as a result of which positive charge will be developed over carbon. So here the generated electrophile is acetyl carbocation. So this acetyl carbocation will attack over benzene ring, as a result of which we obtain benzene ring C double bond to CH3, which is called acetophenone. So here acetophenone will be formed as the product. So this is all about electrophilic substitution reaction. That is the most important reaction of aromatic compounds for the benzene ring. Few more reactions are left which are not the part of electrophilic substitution reaction. That we will cover tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day.